Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Novacrystal in Monster Hunter World. Novacrystal is a high rank upgrade material that can be found in all fields through mining outcrops. From experience, the most efficient map to farm is Wildspire Waste. The mining outcrops are close to each other and naturally form clean farming routes. Run a full mining loop, gather every outcrop, then either wait for respawns or leave and re-enter the area. You can try this route for an efficient Novacrystal farming. And that's how to get Novacrystal in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.